Hi, my name is Peter Gazinski, and I'm the product manager at MaxScheduler. Today I'm going to give a demonstration of our web-based scheduler. The product is entirely accessible through a web browser. Each user of the system requires their own account. So I'm going to log into a sample account here. When the software opens, you're brought to kind of the main scheduling screen, which is the main portion of the application. The top portion is the schedule. That's that area right here. And the bottom is what we call the list view. And the list view contains jobs that are to be scheduled. This scheduling portion has columns that represent resources you're scheduling, and the rows represent time. In this case, we have each row represents 1 hour. Many aspects of this screen are configurable, so you can adjust it. To schedule a job, what you simply do is you go to the list view, click on the green icon, drag it onto the board, and a block will appear according to the length that is specified with the job, or a default length. At the bottom, the list view has some features that are similar to Excel. By clicking on them, the column headings, you can sort. You can sort by that attribute. There's also a quick filter, so if I want to go look for something, a specific job, I can just quickly type in a detail, and the list will just go to the job that matches that string. In this case, we have the product number. If you remove our search string, you get the full list again. Let's go to the configuration screen, or configuration screens. There's a number of aspects that can be configured. For example, sites. If you have multiple facilities, you want to schedule for each one. Resources, those are the items that you're scheduling. Those resources are broken into boards. In case you have many of them, you can group them into boards, and therefore visually you can have enough real estate to see all the details you want. Operational hours, that the way we work is the MaxScheduler will only show the amount of time that your facility is open, and therefore, including, for example, if you have lunch break, you can specify it so that doesn't appear, because you just want to be scheduling times when your facility is open and operational. You can import data from another system, and also we have what we call a job view. This has some similar aspects to the list view in the main scheduling screen, and the idea here is that you can have an alternative view on your data. You can see, for example, if you have a specific query, you can see if a job is currently scheduled or unscheduled. This list will contain both. For example, here we can see that this first job is assigned to a resource. In this case, it's machine 1, and you can go further down and see that there's another job here that under resource it says not scheduled. That means it's currently in the list view or not to be worked on. Thank you for your time today.